How's everyone doing? I'm just here to show you place value. Remember, we worked it out in class 207, okay? So our first lesson was place value. Remember, each digit, based on where it is, has a different value. So first things first, there are three different ways to write a number. So I see the number 4, 5, comma, 2, 7, 5. I have three different ways I can write that number. I can write it in standard form. That means I write 45,275. Write my 45 and then that comma lets me know I'm going to a new unit. So I'm going from the thousands down. So 45,275. Then there is the one I know everybody loves, which is word form. Okay. So again, I look and I see that it's a 45. So I write 45. Then I say what unit's in. It is in the thousands place. So 45, go to my next, 275. In the beginning, 207, do not worry about spelling. We have the words all around the room. You can sound it out. You can try, but first get your stuff on the paper. Get your words on the paper. Get everything on the paper. Then you can come back, revise and edit, and fix it up. Expanded form. Expanded form is taking each digit and saying its value. So that 4 is in the 10,000s column. So when I look at that 4, I know its value is 40,000. Go to the next number. That 5's value is 5,000. The next value, 2, is 200. Then 70 for the 7, and then 5. These are our three ways. Word form, using words. Standard means the regular, the way most people use. So standard form is just writing the number. Then expanded form is taking each digit out and telling us its value, adding them all together, and you can put them back, and that it is. So take a look at each one. Can you remember standard form, word form, and expanded form? If not, think, okay, word form is word, I got this. Not sure about expanded or standard form. So think, expand, pull apart, you're pulling it apart, and standard is just the regular way. So when we come to our place value chart, here are 100,000s, our 10,000s, our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. Now I know this is a short lesson because it's just based on place value in each digit. I also know the hardest part of this is word form. Saying it correctly, writing the words correctly, right? So we start with standard form. I take each of those digits and just write it down there. So I write the 4, 6, 3, use my comma because I'm changing units, 2, 5, 8. So 4,000, oh, messed that one up. Let me start over again. 463,258. That is my standard form. That's the way I would typically write it. Now word form. Word form, I first write the 4, the 6, and the 3. So that's 463. I know that. Now I tell you what units in. 463,000. Okay. 258. So if you know your hundreds, 463, 258, all you're doing when we're in the thousands or when we get to the millions is you add the unit, 463,000. Please remember that we do not use the word and when we write numbers. And then finally, the expanded form. We have our 4, and if you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes behind that 4. That means I'm going to have 5 zeros. So it's 400,000. Next one is my 6. Its value is 60,000. I can see that there's my 6, and then there's 4 boxes behind it. So that means I need 4 zeros. Then for my 3, I see that there's 3 boxes behind it. So I do 3 and then 1,000. Finally, my 2, there would be 2 boxes behind it, so there's 2 zeros. And then finally, my 5 with 1 box behind it, 50. And then 8. No boxes behind it, so no zeros. So I write my expanded form as 400,000 plus 60,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000 plus 50 plus 1. Okay? So each time I'm writing my value in here. If there's questions, please ask them. If you need help, please ask. Remember, asking, messing up, trying again, it's all part of the learning process. I will see you soon. Or if you're watching this in class, just look up and over, and there I am.